Hi, my name is Josh Wheeler and I'm currently an assistant professor of secondary education at Lubbock Christian University. Before this, I taught for a few years in elementary, specifically 5th grade science, and then I taught for a number of years in the middle school level, 8th grade. What I'd like to talk to you about today is the use of timers in the classroom. A lot of times I see new teachers or pre-service teachers that struggle with getting everything accomplished that they need to in a given amount of time, say 45 or 50 minute class period. They can either spend too long on an activity or maybe not long enough. But one of the things that I've seen useful, and I use quite a bit even still at the college level, is the use of timers for different activities in my class. So if I get my students in an activity and they're working in groups, or maybe it's a situation where we have to transition from station to station, and I know that each station needs to be only maybe 8 minutes, or this activity needs to last for only 10 minutes. What I'll do is I'll put a timer up on the screen or the smartboard to kind of give a visual reminder of how long they have to accomplish whatever the activity is. And there's a number of free resources out there that you can use. You can go to online-stopwatch.com or other ones. You can download different timers to your computer. But something that gives a visual representation of, okay, here's how long we have to get this activity accomplished. So I'll set the activity up, tell the students, you've got 8 minutes to get this done or 10 minutes to get this done. And I'll say go and hit it and walk around and kind of monitor them, answer questions, make sure everybody's moving at the pace that they need to be able to move at. If we get done with the activity, let's say that I gave 8 minutes for it to be done and not everybody's finished, I can maybe say, let me give you another minute or two to finish this up. As soon as we're done with this, we're going to move on to the next activity. Add another minute or two to the timer, get it going. Again, walk around, monitor, make sure everybody's exactly where they need to be, and then we can move on to whatever we have planned next in class. This helps for a lot of different reasons. Number one, it allows me to get everything accomplished in class that I need to get done. If I only have 10 or 15 minutes to work on an activity, I ensure that I get it done in that 10 or 15 minutes. But the other thing that it does is it kind of helps with behavior as you try to manage that in class. If I give too long for an activity, some students may finish really quick and get bored and kind of start getting off task and messing around with each other and things like that. And so with the use of a classroom timer, you can ensure that you're keeping everybody going at the same pace that you need them to go on. You can walk around and monitor and ensure that happens, but it also makes sure I get done what I need to get done in that 10 or 15 minute time span. So again, use of classroom timers can really be helpful to manage not only classroom behavior, but what you get done in class.